Here at The Container Guy, we developed our own way of framing, insulating, and boarding shipping containers. Our method took us a while to get it all figured out, but now that we have it sorted, our guys are able to prep this entire 20-foot shipping container ready for spray foam in the matter of a morning. So they started at 8 a.m., it's now noon, and we're ready for the spray foamers to show up and get at her. I'm Channing McCorston, The Container Guy. If you're a regular viewer of our channel, odds are you've seen videos of our steel stud brackets or our modular partition wall solutions. We have galvanized partition walls that connect to strut channel for non-insulated containers. In this instance, we are using our strut channel framing, not our steel stud framing, and we will be spray foaming everything. This customer is going to be utilizing the front half of the container as an office and the back half as insulated storage. But instead of using our galvanized partition wall kit that goes right to the outside walls, which would touch the walls and transfer cold through, or making a smaller version of that. So you see here in this instance, we are using steel studs. These are a low cost option compared to that other partition wall kit. And then we've secured this whole partition wall with our steel stud brackets. So you can see here, we sell these, they're relatively inexpensive, especially if you're doing multiple partition walls in a single container. Maybe buy the steel stud bracket kit for a 10-foot container. It's great hardware to have laying around if you're doing lots, 2 C-cans. You can see here, it defines the ceiling plane and the outward wall plane. So we're able to build the entire partition wall all the way across, have the bottom track secured down to the floor. We wouldn't normally want to do this just in a regular non-insulated container, but because this customer here is insulating everything, arguably with plywood on one side of here and this whole wall spray foamed, it's likely even more durable than the other options. So we're not sacrificing anything going here, and we're saving a tremendous amount of cost. And this took 30 minutes to frame. Pretty easy, simple, self-explanatory to do this. And especially if, say, you're starting up a storage facility or something and you needed 15 partition walls times 15 by 100 versus 15 by 1,000, that's pretty obvious math that it's a much cheaper option. On this side of the container, we won't be finishing the walls, and then on this side, we will. So we've taken a steel stud, we flipped it around backwards, and we've given ourselves a drywall flange, so to speak, where we'll be able to take our reline wall panels and secure it to something on both sides and give us something to finish up to. I wouldn't tell you what wall covering to put on here. That's more defined by your project specifically, whether you do drywall, whatever. It wouldn't be a bad idea to plywood line it first and then whatever your wall covering is, because then you have freedom and flexibility to bolt and mount anything, anywhere. What the f am I looking at on this specific partition wall? If you want to watch videos of how we steel stud containers, we'll leave a link in the description below to those videos. We'll also leave a link in the description of a 40-foot container with 4 side cargo doors where we installed our steel partition wall, so you can see the difference. But for now, I guess, if this little tip, trick, or hint helped you out, please help us out. Give this video a like. If you'd like to see more videos of us modifying containers or installing these accessories, please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, check us out at tcg.ca. Hope you learned something.